how to make your own Rickroll video. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video. So let's get started right away. Now you want to just go to capwing.com or search for Capwing and then something like Rickroll video meme template right here, and you should end up right here. Now you want to click on make it, and you'll be brought to this page. Now this is the actual Rickroll video, and this is like the 3-second long placeholder, so you can add whatever you want here. So you can just click on replace, then drag and drop a video. So I'm just going to add a video I just recorded just for the sake of it, and you just want to make sure this is like only a couple seconds long and not like a full minute, because that's way too long, of course. So you want to make this shorter. So if you only would make it like 3 seconds long, then what you'll get is that people will watch this for 3 seconds and think like, oh, this is a regular video, and then this part plays, and they'll get Rickrolled, of course. So once you've done this, you feel like yeah, this is fine. You want to click on export video, and it's now exporting it. So just have to wait for it. Now this actually does take a pretty long time. Right here it says your content is exporting. You can track its progress below. Please be patient, because this process can take several minutes. Now you just have to wait for it. You can refresh the page like a couple times, and maybe it will download for you. But yeah, this is basically it. You'll just have to wait for this, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.